So student, we are going to derive the third equation of motion by using graphical method. Okay. So again here we have the same velocity time graph that we had on first as well as second equation of motion. Okay. So here in this diagram we can see that it is the trapezium beta. It is the trapezium. Which one? A, O, D and B. It is the trapezium. Okay. We don't need that. So I'm just going to erase that. Okay. So this is nothing but, or leave it. Okay. So this is nothing but the trapezium. Is it or not? Is it?
Yes.
Yes. So now we have to go through first the statement of Newton, which is given for the derivation of third equation of motion. So I'm going to write statement first here. So the statement. Okay. So what is the statement? The area subtended by the trapezium in velocity time graph. So we'll start from the velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, velocity time graph, the area covered by trapezium, area covered by trapezium gives us the value of,
So what are the points for trapezium?
it
In my
is
diagram?
O. Okay, so we had to write trapezium's formula here also. Okay, so trapezium is covered by the trapezium. I'm writing here trapezium, this trapezium, and it is O A, or we can write here from AODB. AODB. Okay.
Sir, but that is a
Sure, I have
quadrangle,
one.
right?
Yes, beta.
That is a quadrangle, right, sir?
Yes, we have already gone through that, but it is quadrangle is trapezium. It's a type
Okay.
of quadrangle. Yes.
Sir, I have one. Sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, there in the graph, at near the A, sir, there is U, sir, and near the B, E, sir, there is V, sir.
Yes.
Means
So it is the
initial
initial velocity is the distance from O to U, and here V is the distance from E to O. Okay. Okay. Understood. Sai.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the velocity time graph, in velocity time graph, the area covered by trapezium AODB gives us the value of distance traveled by an object. Distance traveled by an object. Understood that statement, everyone? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, we have
Yes, sir.
already written the statement, right?
Yes, beta?
Yes. You
Sir,
already
we have already written this, right?
in the
But
before.
but here we have to take area of trapezium, not triangle and quadrilateral. Okay, this is the basic difference.
Okay, sir.
Yes, the thing is same. We will get the same area, but we will get the different formula for that. Okay, so where were we? Okay, so therefore, according to the statement, according to the statement, we can write as distance equals to area of trapezium, Which is the trapezium? It is AODB. Therefore, what is distance? Distance is S. Distance is S equals to, what is the formula of area of trapezium?
Half H A plus into A plus B.
See, it is the half of sum of parallel side. Which are the parallel side? It is AO and BD. These are the parallel side, beta. See here, these are the parallel side. If you will draw here, these are the parallel side. Is it? So it is, area is the half of sum of parallel side. So sum of parallel side means it is AO plus BD. Okay, into distance between the parallel side. What is the distance between parallel side? It is OC. Is it?
Sir, AC, right?
Oh, sorry.
No,
AC.
the
Yes.
difference between
AC. Yes,
EP and
AC.
OD.
Yes. AC, beta. AC. It is AC.
So means distance between EB and OD is AC, right?
Sir, but
Yes. AC we can take, or we can take OD also. We can take that also.
so can we take AB as the distance between?
A, B, no, AB is a slant height, beta. We can't take that. The distance is that one. This is the distance between those two parallel sides. Yes, and which is either AC or OD. Is it? So have you? So you got the area of trapezium now. Area of trapezium is the half of sum of parallel side into distance between them. Okay. So now we are going to take the values, put the values here. So we have S equals to, see, I am transferring this 2 to another side, or we will transfer that later. So it is half into, what is AO? AO is what? It is U, beta. It is U.
U, sir.
Yes, U plus what is BD? BD is
Sir, V.
V. Yes, it is
Final
V.
velocity.
Yes. Into we have AC. What is AC? AC is
Time.
T. Yes, it is
Time
time.
T.
Yes, it is time T. So now I am going to transfer this 2 to another side. It will go in multiple form with S. So it will become 2S now.
2S is equal
Yes.
to.
Yes. So 2S equals to, we have U plus V into T. Okay. So now we have acceleration formula, or we can write from here also. See here we have AC is okay. So now we are going to understand the acceleration formula. We have what we have? It is acceleration equals to V minus U divided by T. Is it?
Yes, sir.
But we want the value of T. So I'm just transferring T in this side and A to that side. So we can write it as this T equals to V minus U divided by A. Can you write that also?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
by here, instead of T, we can write V minus U divided by A here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, we can write it is 2S equals to, see, U plus V is nothing but V plus U. So I'm writing here V plus U. So the thing is the same. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Is it or not?
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Wait. First we have to complete that. Okay. So what is T? We are putting this value of T here. It is V minus U divided by A. So now I'm going to transfer A also to another side. So it will become 2AS. Is it or not? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
equals
it
to V.
becomes 2AS now. And what we'll have here? We will have
Minus
V plus U and V minus U. So what is V plus U and into V minus U?
V square minus U
Square
square.
minus U square.
Yes. So it will become 2as equals to v square minus u square. So I'm just transferring minus u square to another side. So it is in negative form. So we'll go in positive form. So what will remain here? We will have v square. We have transferred that u square will go in positive form. So we can write u square plus we have 2as, and this is nothing but the third equation of motion. Okay, so v square equals to u square plus 2as is the third equation of motion. Beta, easy or conceptual? Little hard, tough? Easy?
Yes,
Easy,
sir.
sir.
Tough.
Yes. No, it is not tough. It is really very easy.
No, sir.
Okay.
There
Okay.
are doubts.
Yes, Beta, what is your doubt?
Sir, here VA is equal to BC, sir.